Alright, Caillou and Rosie. Are you both ready for school?
Yes. Not really.
Oh come on Rosie, don't be so down in the dumps. I'm sure your day will go by just fine at school. Now come on kids, let's get in the car before we are late. You have got to be kidding. My phone is at it again. Ugh, I might as well check it. Oh. Shit. A tornado is near our hometown. We need to go to the basement, like right now. Okay, we should be safe here. I just hope that the tornado doesn't destroy our town.
Hey, I feel like we're missing something. But what could it be?
I don't know. But let's not worry about that right now.
Hey, wait a minute. I just remembered what we forgot. We forgot Mommy. I'm coming, Mommy.
Wait. Come back, Caillou. It's too dangerous.
What the? Who are you? And what did you do to my mommy?
Well, I am the tornado monster, and I'm afraid that your mother won't be returning right now. Goodbye.
I have to save Mommy. And I know how I can do that. By destroying the stupid tornado myself. Rosie, you're the tornado monster?
Okay, you caught me. Yes, I was the tornado monster. I just wanted to get myself some revenge after what people do to me. I am sorry.
Rosie, why would you do this? I can't believe you were the cause of this tornado, and I also can't believe you kidnapped Mommy. You know what? I think it's time I destroy this tornado once and for all.
Ha 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 ha. Good luck trying to do that. You would never suspect the off button being in your pocket. Wait a minute. Oh shit. I'm cooked.
Here we go.
Rosie, do you have anything to say for yourself? That's what I thought. Anyways. Oh, Rosie, how dare you make a tornado to destroy our city and then proceed to kidnap your own mother? This legitimately has to be the worst thing you've done. You are grounded for 3 months. And when we get home, you will go straight to your room and you will stay there until we say you can come out.
As for you, Caillou, thank you so much for not only saving me, but also putting an end to the tornado. Even though you were never grounded, I'm going to say it anyway. You are ungrounded. Feel free to go to Chuck E. Cheese as that's a reward for your bravery.